Helo, bore da, a dyma'r stori The Kiss Box. So, ydych chi'n barod? Ydych chi'n eistedd lawr? Are you ready? Are you listening? Panta ni. Mama Bear was always home, and that's how Little Bear liked it. But sooner or later, all Mama Bears need to go away, even if it is just for a little while. I'll be back soon, Mama Bear promised. Let's have fun today before it's time to say goodbye. But Little Bear did not want to say goodbye. Oh, I miss you already, he said. And his mama said, I miss you too. Will you come back? Little Bear asked. I will always come back, Mama Bear told him. And even when I'm not with you, Little Bear, I'll send you 11 kisses every minute of every day, just like I'm doing now. Can you feel them flying through the air from me to you? Yes, said Little Bear, but are you sure you won't forget me when you're gone? I will think about you all the time, said his mama, no matter where I am or what I do. Even when you're very busy? Asked Little Bear. No matter how busy I am, you are always most important, Mama Bear said, and kissed his ears. You know that, don't you? I do, said Little Bear, but I want you to stay home. I can't stay home, said Mama Bear, but I can leave you 100 kisses to keep you company. And every time you miss me, you will have all those kisses. You do remember how to count to 100, don't you? I do, said Little Bear. But where will I keep those kisses? Where will I keep your kisses so they don't get lost? Mama Bear smiled. I will give you a special jar, she said, and I will fill it with 100 kisses. And every time you need a kiss, just open the jar and a kiss will fly from me to you. Oh, but what if I break the jar, Mama? Then I will fill an envelope with 100 kisses, and every time you need a kiss, just open up the envelope and a kiss will fly from me to you. Oh, but what if I lose the envelope, Mama? Asked Little Bear. Then I will kiss your fingertips with 100 kisses, and every time you need a kiss, just touch your fingers to your heart and a kiss will fly from me to you. Mama smiled. You won't lose your fingertips, will you, Little Bear? Oh no, Mama, said Little Bear. But how can I send my kisses back to you? Now suddenly, Little Bear had a good idea. I know how I can send you kisses, Mama. Then we can always be together. How? His Mama asked. It's a secret, said Little Bear. Don't peek. Little Bear found a small box. He drew a picture of himself and glued it inside. Then he filled the box with 100 kisses, every one as special as the love he felt for Mama Bear. When Little Bear finished, he called out to his mama, Surprise! Here is a kiss box for you. Now you can make one for me. What a smart little bear you are, said his mama. Will you help me make it? Yes, said Little Bear. Now Mama Bear and Little Bear each have a kiss box of their own. And whenever they are apart, they keep their kiss boxes close. Do you know why? so that they can send kisses back and forth no matter where they are, together or apart. Their love goes on and on and on, just as ours does each time we say I love you with a kiss. So now then, and I know that many of you are not seeing your monkeys the keys and you're keeping them safe, neu falle daddies neu mammies. So fi'n deall ni bod yn anodd iawn. So mae Mrs Kenny wedi wneud Kissbox. Mae Kissbox yn gallu bod unrhyw size really. Dwi ddim wedi addurno fe. I haven't dressed it up. I'm sure you could do a much better job. Ond fel wedys i, mae lot o bethau ynddo fe o blaen. So beth am greu Kissbox? Yn un peth mae rhaid i fi ddangos. Fi'n cofio llyfr o chi wedi creu i Mrs Kenny ar amser hyn blwyddyn diwetha neu jyst cyn ni. So mae hwn yn special iawn i fi. So gallai jyst gweud creu Kissbox a ddod i lot o kisses ynddo fe, a wedyn chi'n gallu danfon y kisses at unrhyw un. You can send your kisses to anyone. So fi'n gobeithio bod chi wedi joio'r stori. Hwyl fawr am y tro.